This video I will show you how you can deploy your GitHub project on Render. So it's really easy. Firstly, you want to make sure you are signed to your Render and also that you have some GitHub repository. And now to deploy it, you can choose from those options. So you have deploy a web service or deploy a static site. You can also click on add new and you can choose from here. So I will deploy static site and then you just want to click on GitHub. And then you want to install Render, so you can choose if you want to allow all repositories or only specific repositories. Then you just want to click on install, and after your GitHub is connected, you can choose from your GitHub repositories here. So you can scroll through those repositories and you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I will choose this sandbox site. Then you want to add a branch, so in my case it's main. And publish directory, you can type, for example, dot or slash, and then here you can type your environment variables. So if you have any API keys, you can add it here. So you will type name of variable and then API key here, and then you want to deploy static site, and now it's deploying your GitHub project to Render. So you just have to wait a couple of seconds. It took like 1 minute to deploy, and you will see this live check mark here. That means it has been successfully deployed. You can also see your default domain from Render. Now if you want to add, let's say, custom domain instead of this default one, you can click on settings, and then on the right side you want to choose custom domains, and then here you can add your custom domain. So you're just going to type your domain and then configure your DNS records on your domain provider. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can deploy GitHub project on Render. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.